In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Temu using the Pay Later option, an incredibly convenient feature that can help manage your budget effectively. Whether you're using the Temu app or visiting the website through Chrome, the process is quite straightforward. Let's dive into the details and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open up the Temu app on your smartphone, or if you prefer using a computer, launch Chrome and navigate to the Temu website. It's important to ensure you're logged into your account or that you create one if you haven't done so yet, as this will enable a smoother shopping experience. Once you're on Temu, take your time to browse through the wide range of products available. Whether you're shopping for clothes, electronics, home goods, or more, there's a plethora of options to choose from. As you find items that interest you, go ahead and add them to your cart by clicking the Add to Cart button. Remember, you can always remove items later or adjust quantities as needed before finalizing your order. After you have all your desired items in your cart, click on the cart icon, usually located at the top right of the interface, and then proceed to checkout. This will take you to a page where you can review all your selected items, adjust any quantities if necessary, and verify that you have everything you want to purchase lined up correctly. Now here comes the key part, selecting your payment method. On the checkout page, you'll typically see a range of payment options. In this case, look for and select the Pay Later option. This feature can be particularly useful if you want to structure your payments over time instead of paying the full amount upfront. If this is your first time choosing Pay Later, you might need to undergo a quick application process to get approved. This involves providing a few details and undergoing a standard verification. Don't worry, the process is quite user-friendly, typically requiring minimal time and effort. Once approved, you'll be able to review the payment schedule presented to you. This schedule will detail how and when payments will take place, allowing you to plan accordingly and manage your finances efficiently. Take a moment to review these details and ensure they align with your expectations and capabilities. Once you're satisfied and everything looks good, go ahead and confirm your order. With a simple click, your purchase will be processed and you can now look forward to receiving your items. The Pay Later feature can truly be a lifesaver when it comes to balancing expenses, and knowing how to use it wisely is a great tool to have in your shopping arsenal. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy your shopping experience